Hello.
Hello, RD. Hello, everybody.
Hello, Ludmila.
I,
Hello, everybody. My
oh,
congratulations for you. Mhm.
you are
Be happy
prepared, I
and
see.
healthy.
Yes.
Every dream, let's be real and uh, be funny. Have funny day. Have funny night, and always magic. Always something uh, incredible, wonderful. Be real in this night. Mhm.
Yeah, I see you are prepared with something in your glass. I'm not prepared, but
Uh-huh.
I have a company party yesterday, so I was a bit tipsy. You know this word, to be a bit tipsy, like to be
Uh,
slightly drunk. And yeah, I have to be ready for today's night. So
mhm,
I will not drink now.
mhm.
So cheers, guys, with SB.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ludmila.
Yeah.
Uh, I
So
am happy to
you
have you
see,
here.
we are, yes, we are ready
Your
with our
your head
outfit.
is wonderful. It's
Yeah,
so
I'm a
cute for
girl.
you,
Yeah.
really. That's great.
So
Hmm.
as usually in like Russia culture, there is a couple of
Hmm.
those New Year characters. Yes,
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah, yeah.
granddad
Hmm.
Frost and
Hmm.
his granddaughter. So I will be a granddaughter today. So it's an honor for me.
Hmm.
Not too young granddaughter, but okay,
Hmm.
it's okay.
Yeah, that's okay. But uh, actually, mm, I haven't, uh, I didn't hear the question. Why mm, grand, grandpa mm, didn't marry his granddaughter for anyone?
Didn't do what?
Didn't marry. How to say? Give her marry. Mm, we
Ah,
we call
g-
не отдает ее замуж.
uh,
Ага. How
because
uh,
he needs company. He needs a company to come. Oh, come on, Erdi.
mhm.
Only this question, like you have the only question. I have a question. Where are parents of that granddaughter?
Ah,
Nobody
yeah, yeah.
knows.
Oh,
Where are they?
maybe uh, they go for earn money to far distant country.
To feed deer? Yes,
Yeah,
to
to
feed reindeer.
overseas.
Oh, yes, there are a lot of questions. Better not to think and to enjoy the holiday. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mm,
yeah.
You're right.
So
Mhm. You're right.
unfortunately, this grandfather Frost is not kind to me this year,
Mhm.
because the presents which we ordered for my son haven't arrived yet.
Mhm.
So this is such
Mhm.
an upsetting thing. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's stuck at the customs, and so
Mhm.
I had to write a letter from the granddad to my kids and apologize for those late presents, and
Mm,
with
mhm,
promise to deliver them
mhm,
shortly in short time. So it's a bit upsetting, but okay.
mhm. I see. I see. What about outside? It is not New Year weather, isn't it?
Actually, we had a very strange December, where without snow at all.
Mhm.
And I hate winter. Yes, I admit it. I don't like it, but I missed snow, and I was asking the gods to send us a bit of snow for New Year, and it happened yesterday. So we have snow today, and
Really?
yes,
Wow!
and it's snowing still, and
My
like
congratulations for you.
thank you very much, and we are going to meet New Year
Mhm.
surrounded by snow. So it's a
Yeah,
good
you
feeling.
are happy.
Yeah.
You are happy. I'm glad for you. Mhm.
Where I'm losing
That
my.
means that every wishes started become real.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, sorry. It's my artificial
Mhm.
hair will going down.
Uh-huh.
So,
Wonderful. You looks great, really.
oh, thank you. Yeah. So, um, how are you going to celebrate the New
Ah,
Year? Staying with family?
nothing special. Just at home,
Mm-hmm.
cooking a lot of foods,
Uh,
uh, and today my daughter came back from
mm-hmm.
Moscow, and right after our talking, I am going to meet her
Mm-hmm.
and took her back home. And
Okay, so it will be great family evening, a
yeah,
quiet one. Yeah.
mhm.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Mm.
What about you? How? Tell me, where are you going to meet you? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to a restaurant with my family, and we will meet New Year there
Hmm.
because I know I told my husband I want to feel a holiday as well, not
Mm.
to spend the whole day cooking and preparing something. I just want to go somewhere and relax
Oh,
and to
that's good. That's good.
yes, to allow somebody else to do everything for me.
Would it
So
be
I
clear mm, family celebration, or you are
yeah,
going
yeah,
to
we
meet with friends?
no, I'm going with my husband and with my kids, and probably there we will meet some friends. I don't know. Probably someone will be there,
Hmm.
but it's okay. It's
Hmm. Oh,
like
that's
it's
good.
pleasant spending time. Yes, and
That seems that our country goes back, goes out from boxes. Yeah.
yeah, yes,
Mhm.
because it's several year in a row when we go out. From home at New Year Eve because
Mhm.
we used to celebrate it at home
Mhm. Yeah, yeah,
previously, like
yeah. Mhm.
all every year together with family, and so the same things every year. But I don't know now. I want something different, like
Mhm.
some
Mhm.
adventure, maybe. So,
Okay, let's say some words to our friends. Mhm.
okay, yeah.
Mhm.
Like wishes, yes, for
Yeah.
the new year.
Mhm.
Okay. So I wish you a lot of joy, happiness, and let all your dreams come true. And all your goals you set in new year will be achieved. So, and you will be satisfied. It's a very important thing to be satisfied. You cannot have many things, but if you are satisfied with things you are really happy. So I wish you a lot of happiness in New Year, and practice English with us. Yes, RD.
That's true. That's true. I join to your words, kind and wonderful words. And from my side, I wish you, all my friends, be happy, be active. Don't lose your motivation to learn English, and try to interact every day from morning to night. Mm, Whether you get your free time, don't be shy to connect with us, and we are open to us always. Thank you very much, Ludmila. Thank you. I was very
Thank you.
happy to meet you
Yes.
here. Mhm. I wish you.
Yes, have a wonderful day and brilliant night, and let New Year brings out only good things.
That's
Yeah,
true.
as
Yeah.
we say in Russia, let leave all bad things in old year and to take with us only good things in New Year. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Thank you
Mhm.
very much,
Thank you.
RD.
Bye bye,
Happy New
friends.
Year,
But we
everybody. Bye.
don't. Um, uh, okay. Bye bye, friends.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
See you.